alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I, Mulaika Nayaz, welcome you all. In our busy lifestyle, we need to have good food habits. A healthy life should be a way of living but not temporary phase. Today, me and my friends are going to depict the importance of healthy food. I am hungry. Mama is not at home. Let's see what's in the kitchen. There are ice cream, chips and chocolate. There are also fruits, vegetables and milk. Mama says not to eat ice cream and chips, but I love them. What do I eat? Eat something good for health. Eat healthy food. What? Healthy food? Eat me. I am healthy vegetable. I am carrot. Oh, stop that boring food. Try some junk food. Eat me. I'm taking joy. Drink me. I am milk. I make your muscles and bones strong. Eat me. I am chill. Ice cream. Eat me, I am fruit, I give you good health, I prevent you falling sick, I am apple. Eat me, I am crunchy chips, you eat one, you eat more. Oh, I am confused, what do I eat? Where is your leader? I am healthy food, I give your body proteins, vitamins, minerals and more. I keep your body healthy and strong. Who are you? I am junk food. I am processed. I am tasty. Eat us. What do I do? Okay, I will give them a challenge and see who will win. Okay, let's have a challenge and see who will win. We are the best. No, we are the best. We are the best. No, we are the best. Oh, I'm feeling tired. Now I know junk food makes me weak and healthy food make me strong and help me to grow. So I will eat healthy food. Mama will also be happy. Listen, Noman, eating healthy food is not enough to keep yourself healthy. There are few things to follow every day for a good health. Perform exercise every day.